What would you do if today was your last day? Would your heart be ready or weighed down with worry? My dear brothers and sisters, as we close the liturgical year, Jesus gives us a loving reminder. He says, "Do not let your hearts grow heavy." And he is right. Life can fill us with worries, work, stress, problems. Sometimes we try to understand ourselves so we won't think about deeper things. But Jesus invites us to something better, a life that is simple, a heart that is light, a soul that is ready, because it is at peace. I remember visiting a woman who had been sick for many years. Every morning, she whispered, "Lord, thank you for today. Help me live it well." She didn't have much strength, but she had deep peace. Her readiness didn't come from fear. It came from trust. And that is what Jesus also wants for us. Not fear, but freedom. Not panic, but peace. So, as we end this liturgical year, let us ask the Lord to help us live each day with faith, hope, and love. Because a day lived well makes the heart ready. Amen.